Hi everybody, we've done A minor standard fingering in the past, but I want to go over the A minor alternate fingering, which is something that will come up in the future when you need to play bar chords in that shape. So for right now, I know that most people have been taught to play A minor like so, using fingers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but now what you want to do is learn to play it this way. So the form is exactly the same. However, you're using 2, 3, and 4 instead of 1, 2, and 3. So 2, 3, and 4, just to review, your middle finger goes on the first fret of the B string. Your ring finger goes on the second fret of the D string. And your pinky goes on the second fret of the G string, and it should sound like this. Okay. Now this format will allow you in the future to play bar chords, minor bar chords, all the way up the neck. But right now, what you want to do is learn how to play A minor in this form, which also goes along with the E minor, which I think I've already gone over in the alternate format. So anyway, you have A minor, strum 5 strings, and you should be good to go. Again, you're going to use fingers 2, 3, and 4. Instead of 1, 2, and 3, and the layout is exactly the same. Hope this helps.